Hello. This is the now we demonstrate how to operate this DIY Doppler radar trainer kit. Basically, this is the software. You have to open it. This is the radar app, which is written in the MATLAB. This is the MATLAB file. The first option is acquire echo. This is the raw echo, which is generated by the software. So here is the button record, stop, save and close. So in the record button, if you click it on, you can see there are the raw echo is coming along with your sync signal. Now this is the 0 volt. You can see this is the time axis, this is the voltage axis. So if the suppose target is coming like that way, see, you can see here is the target is coming, so the echo is generated. Now you can see, okay, wait. So here is the largest echo is there. This is the smallest echo is there. When the target is too close, it is going 0.6 volt. This much volt is generated by this thing. Earlier the target echo was very less. So you can actually save this You can save this echo. If you want to save it, just click on the save button and on the T1. Suppose I am putting T1 is the name, and that is a wave format. That is a wave format, and you can save it here. So this is the save button what we in. Then again we close it. Then go to object detection. In object detection, if we go here, you can select this file T1. So I can select this file T1, open, and say run. So this is the echo what now in object detection. Open, execute. So earlier whatever my wave file is there, recorded wave file, I am putting in A scope, and also I see the B scope, means a spectrogram. Here I can see the intensity of the echo magnitude plus the time cycle where our target is presence. So the presence of target along with the echo magnitude spectrogram you can visualize in this thing. Again same, suppose if you want to run this total object detection algorithm, you have to go for this run button. Earlier you just run button. So this is again a raw echo is coming and B scope is coming. Now I will say my target to come in front of this. So he is coming and slowly you come forward. Okay, bas, okay, okay, let it be. So if you see, this is the highest magnitude when he comes very closer to the radar. So this is the red color, very high much dBm power we are getting in the echo. Rest of the echo from the far away distance, it is lower side. So this is the A scope and B scope data.